Hi guys, Chet here. In this video, I will review GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform for marketing, automation, and client management. It's really perfect for small businesses, agencies, and freelancers. Now, in this video, I'll take a closer look at GoHighLevel, focusing on its pricing, features, ease of use, integration, and much more. This will give you a better understanding of the platform and help you decide if it's the right tool for your business. So without further delay, let's get started. But before we get started, here's something special just for you. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you'll get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you will receive a 30-day free trial. On top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I will highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth $900 plus, but you'll get them all for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link down in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. If you're considering using GoHighLevel, you might be wondering which plan is best for you. Let's dive into their pricing options to see what each one offers. First, there's the starter plan, which costs $97 each month. This plan is perfect for people who are just starting out and need basic features to help them attract more leads and turn those leads into customers. It includes tools that make it easier to bring in new leads and convert them into paying clients. With the starter plan, you will get a full set of online tools. Now, these tools include booking systems, pipelines, social calendars, and even a website builder. This means that you have everything that you need to manage your business effectively. Another great feature is that you can add as many contacts and users as you want. You can also manage up to 3 sub-accounts, which is great if you're running multiple businesses or working with different clients. Overall, this plan provides a strong foundation for anyone looking to get started without really spending too much money. The unlimited plan costs $297 a month, and it's designed for those who want more than just basic features. It includes everything from the starter plan plus API access, letting you connect GoHighLevel with other tools that you might already use. With this plan, you can create unlimited sub-accounts, which is great if you manage multiple businesses or clients. This feature helps you keep everything organized and is user-friendly. Another really cool part of this plan is the branded desktop app. You can customize how your app looks and even use custom domains for a fully branded experience. This plan really is ideal for growing businesses or agencies handling several clients, giving you the flexibility to manage it all in one place. So, which plan is right for you? Well, if you're just starting out, that starter plan at $97 per month is a solid choice to get all the essential tools. But if you need more power and customization, the unlimited plan at $297 per month might be the way to go. And don't forget, both plans come with a 14-day free trial, so you can test everything out before making that final decision. But here's the cool thing, if you use my link, you can get a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14-day trial. This means that you have more time to explore the platform and really see if it's the right fit for your business needs. So check out the link in the description. Now that we've covered the pricing plans, let's take a look at some of GoHighLevel's key features. Now, when you first log in, you're greeted by the agency dashboard. This is your command center where you can see an overview of your current sales, summary, and activity. It's designed to give you a snapshot of how your business is performing at a glance so that you can stay on top of your goals without digging through endless reports. One of the standout features is the SaaS configurator. Now, if you're running a SaaS business, this tool is a game changer. It allows you to configure your SaaS offerings directly within the platform. This means that you can set up, customize, and manage your SaaS products seamlessly, all from one place. GoHighLevel also provides powerful prospecting tools. These are essential for any business looking to expand its client base. Now, if you want to add a prospect, simply click on the plus Add a Prospect button at the center at the top right side of the Prospect Accounts page. With prospecting, you can identify potential leads, you can reach out to them, and start building relationships that could turn into profitable partnerships. It's really all about helping your business grow and finding and nurturing new opportunities. If you're managing multiple clients, the sub-accounts feature is ideally suited for your needs. It will allow you to create and manage separate accounts for each client or business all under one roof. This makes it easy to keep things organized and ensure that each account is running smoothly without any mix-ups. The account snapshot is another powerful feature, and it lets you create templates of your most successful accounts and easily replicate them for new clients. This will save you time and ensure that new accounts are set up with proven strategies strategies right from the start. It's really like having a blueprint for success that you can use over and over again. If you're into affiliate marketing, you'll love the affiliate portal. This feature allows you to manage your affiliates, track their performance, and optimize your affiliate program. It's a must-have if you want to expand your reach through affiliate partnerships. GoHighLevel also comes with a template library. Now, whether you're looking to create landing pages, emails, or entire sales funnels, the template library really has you covered. These templates are designed to save you time and help you create high-converting campaigns quickly and easily. Finally, let's not forget about the mobile app. In today's busy world, being able to manage your business on the go is crucial. GoHighLevel's mobile app gives you access to all of the essential features right from your smartphone so that you're never out of touch with your business. GoHighLevel is packed with features designed to help you manage and grow your business efficiently. From the agency dashboard to the mobile app, every tool is crafted to give you control and flexibility. Another unique aspect of GoHighLevel is its reselling feature. This feature is ideal for agencies and businesses looking to offer more to their clients while boosting their own revenue. Let's take a closer look at what you can resell and how it works. One of the standout options is conversation AI reselling. This service allows you to resell AI-powered conversation tools to your clients. You can set your own price, and the difference between the GoHighLevel cost and your selling price is really your profit. For example, if you decide to sell this service at $59, with GoHighLevel's price being $49, your profit margin would be determined by the markup that you choose. This feature is great for businesses looking to offer advanced, automated customer interaction tools to their clients. Another valuable service you can resell is WhatsApp reselling. This option is ideal for businesses that want to offer direct communication channels to their clients through WhatsApp. You can set a price for incoming messages and charge additional fees for outbound messages. For instance, you might sell this service at $29.99, while GoHighLevel charges $10, leaving you with a $19.99 profit per client. It's a straightforward way to offer high-demand service while earning a steady income. Now, for those focused on local SEO and business listings, the Yext listing reselling feature is a must. You can offer your clients enhanced online visibility by reselling Yext's listing services. This service allows businesses to manage their listings across various platforms effectively. You can customize your pricing and include this in your SaaS bundle offers. This makes it a valuable add-on for clients looking to improve their local search presence. Email marketers will appreciate the dedicated IP reselling feature. This option allows you to resell dedicated IP addresses for email outbound sending, giving your clients better deliverability and control over their email campaigns. You can set your pricing to include a markup on GoHighLevel's cost as well, ensuring a profit while providing a crucial service for businesses heavily reliant on email marketing. And finally, the Ad Manager reselling feature is ideal for agencies that want to manage ad campaigns for their clients. You can either use GoHighLevel's default ad manager or connect your own Meta Business Manager. This service allows you to mark up the cost of an ad spend and earn a profit on the services you provide. It's an excellent way to offer comprehensive digital marketing solutions to your clients while really keeping control over the budget and management. The reselling feature in GoHighLevel is a useful and money-making tool for any business or agency. You can pick from various services and set your own prices, allowing you to customize what you offer for your clients while increasing your income. It's just one way that GoHighLevel helps businesses do well online. If you're running a business, you know how important it is to have all of your tools and apps working together seamlessly. GoHighLevel makes this possible by offering a wide range of integrations that enhance its functionality and make your workflow smoother. To access these integrations, head to the App Marketplace tab in the left menu. And when you navigate to the Marketplace section, you'll find a vast selection of apps that can be integrated directly into your GoHighLevel account. These apps cover various categories, including accounting and payments, advertising, analytics and data, CRM, content management systems, and more. This diversity means that whatever your business needs, there's likely an app that can help you achieve it within the GoHighLevel ecosystem. Well, that's it for this review. I hope that you found this review helpful. Now, you have a better understanding of what GoHighLevel has to offer and how it can benefit your business. If you want to get started with GoHighLevel, remember that instead of the standard 14-day trial, MyLink gives you a 30-day free trial. And And as a thank you, you'll also get my full Go High Level Jumpstart course guiding you through setting up your business in those 30 days. Go High Level's features can be a bit overwhelming, but my course focuses on what truly matters to help you start making money right away. Plus, you will also receive $900 plus worth of high quality templates all for free, including Business Hub and Finance Hub. Just click that link in the description below to find all the details about these amazing offers and how you can claim them. It is my way of saying thank you for your support.